Hey, I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we want to show you our anti-drop technician kit. This kit has been made by Wintechs for Wintechs. It's been in development for over a year to create the perfect kit for troubleshooting your job site. To begin with, it comes in a Last US Bag Co. Black Flag backpack. But this isn't just any old tool bag. It's specifically designed as a supporting lift-rated bag, with its two handles spanning down the entire length of the bag for a 50-pound lifting capacity. And its 1000D nylon construction with number 10 YKK zippers ensures it can hold up to scrapes and snags. Inside you'll find two removable foam inserts. These inserts are laser cut to fit your tools perfectly, and each includes a heavy-duty nylon case for securing to the wall of the bag. And thanks to the feedback we received from real techs in the field, we've now included a removable laptop sleeve. This sleeve conveniently fits behind either of the tool inserts and features protective padding to keep your laptop safe. Where this kit truly shines is in the tool options. The base package includes a finely tuned combination of Wera and Williams hand tools, specifically selected for the wind industry. But we also offer a variety of upgrade options for further tool customization. If we still don't have the tools you're looking for, our gear experts will work directly with you to create the perfect combination of tools for your crew or job site. The options are endless. With the at-height industries putting a strong emphasis on tool drop prevention, we took that to heart when developing this kit. Almost all the tools in this kit have integrated tie-off rings to connect to your tool tethers. And we've worked directly with TieFloat to offer the most unique tethering system on the market, the Quick Switch. The Quick Switch eliminates those annoying elastic tethers by keeping the entire system contained on your wrist. The dock and switch system makes switching tools simple while still maintaining 100% tool tie-offs. The Quick Switch tool tethering system is just one of several upgrade options we offer with this toolkit. If you're interested in customizing this anti-drop technician toolkit for your company, give our gear experts a call or see it for yourself at gmesupply.com. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and follow us on all social media. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts, a show dedicated to at-height industry and construction. Find it at gearexperts.com.